Hey guys, this is Sajal Malik. Welcome to my another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to make A4 colored paper sheet at home. Normally, you can buy these sheets from the market, but sometimes the colored paper needed is not available. So we can make our own colored paper at home, which is much cheaper than the market. So let's get started. I'll use this waste paper to make my A4 sheet. You can use any kind of paper. In fact, after the crafts project, I make a lot of colored sheets by applying extra paint colors on waste papers like old magazines and notebooks, which I'll later use for my paper crafts. I'll use this liquid color to make homemade colored paper. This is brown color. It is written on it that it is for use in chalk, lime and distemper. But I'll mix it in water. It is not necessary to use the exact liquid color. You can use any type of liquid color or paint spray, etc. You can find this color in a stationery shop. You can only get it from a hardware store. This is how we apply the liquid color. After applying the color on one side, we will let it dry a bit, and when it dries, we'll turn it over. It has almost dried up from one side. Now we will apply the color on the other side. After about 5 minutes, it is completely dry. You can see how beautiful it is. Wow! So it was an easy way to make a colored paper sheet at home. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to leave me a comment because I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned with me by subscribing to my channel. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.